Please remain seated while facing forward. Enjoy your tea party.
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again. Welcome to the Mad Tea Party, where everything is quite, mad. To ensure your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while your teacup is spinning. And please do watch your children. To spin your teacup, just keep turning the wheel to the right or to the left. The faster you turn it, the faster you go. Well, it's off to the tea party. Please say hello to the Mad Hatter.
Bienvenidos al Birthday Party. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la taza. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos. Chao.
Please remain seated while facing forward. Enjoy your tea party.
Whoa!
I'm not even spinning. Oh, yeah.
Please remain seated until
Trying
your
to spin
teacup
it.
comes
It's
to
hard
a
to
stop,
spin this.
then walk to the nearest exit. Bye-bye.
Please remain seated until your teacup is completely. Look down, gather your belongings, watch your step, and walk carefully toward the nearest screen indicated by the Alice in Wonderland.
Try to walk straight.
Thank you.